Hey everyone, welcome into my den. I'm Gargoyle, of course. Today we have this Sweet 16 1968 Custom Firebird in olive green. We're going to do a straight up restoration on it. This video shouldn't take too long. Let's go ahead and get into it. As always, shielded drilling is our friend. See if that's enough. We'll get the general persuader out. See if we can pop those loose yet or not. Always remember it's better to drill a second time than to drill it all the first time and find out you drilled too much. There we go, popped it. There we are. Boom. Looks nice on the inside, don't it? Outside, not so much. But we were able to get it, it'll clean up nicely. Here's our interior. Get our glass off here, being careful hopefully. There we go. Toss the glass in the interior in the degreaser so they can be soaking a little. And we'll end up pulling the glass out and gauzying it and make sure the interior is all clean. And we're here. Let's go ahead and file these flat, and I'll probably end up hitting them with the center punch. Go. Nice and flat. And nice and flat. Center punch. Because it's a red line, it does have smaller posts, so we make sure we do the center punch in the center as much as we can. As I make the dogs bark. That'll work. My wife's probably cussing me right now because the dogs are barking and waking her up. Yeah, it's the middle of the night here. Got one on the outside, one on the inside, and one right in the middle. There you go. Alright, I'm going to take this over to the drill press and see if I can get these drilled out. Take my oil with me. Alright, back from regurgitation juice. And yeah, the toning was just as bad as I thought it was going to be, if not worse. It's pretty bad. So what I'm probably going to have to do, I'm going to try and clean it up as best as possible, get it as shiny as possible, then I'm probably going to use the silver base coat that I got from Redline Shop that is specifically for things like this. It'll give it that look like it's still the Zayback or whatever, and then we can put the olive over top of it. But let's see how it comes out first. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. That's that. Yeah. See how it fared in here. So fresh and so clean. So off to the side, over here out of my dusty area. And glass. This looks pretty good. Look even better once it gets some gauzy on it though. Go ahead and get it gauzied up. Gauzy, gauzy, gauzy. Gauzy fixes everything. Sit her in there. Just let it sit there for a little bit. You'll be good to go. I'm off to the paint booth. Wish me luck.
Say again, please?
Houston, we have a problem.
And here we are. No, I didn't get the wrong video mixed up or anything. A lot has happened since I left to go to paint. Let's just put it that way. This turned into one hell of a fiasco, so to speak. Hence the name on the thumbnail. You see, what happened was mistakes were made. By yours truly, of course. But in my ever-present quest for being honest and being transparent, I'm going to explain everything that happened. Remember how I tell you guys always to have different size screws for different things? That way you're always prepared. It helps if you make sure you keep those screws separate though. What I did was I went to put the Firebird back together. Had it all painted and everything ready to go in the olive green. And I went to put it back together and I tried to put a 256 screw into the 172 hole post. And it blew out the post. So then I had to do a post repair. Well, I did the post repair, I ended up messing up the olive paint on it. So I got the olive paint out again and painted it again. And I had a little bit extra still left over in the olive paint, so I decided to go ahead and do the Vicky at the same time. So that's why the Vicky's out here now. But then, for some reason, the paint that I put on the Firebird didn't harden. But the Vicky did. So I don't know what happened there. Not really sure. Now, I have had the olive paint for a while, and it's been open for a while, so that may have been it. I don't know. So then I decided to go with the gold on the Firebird, and it came out okay. It's definitely needs some work. But then when I went to put the gold on it, I forgot that I had done the silver base coat because of the toning. So now you can still see some of the toning on it. So that'll be a car that gets redone again in the future. It's going to go on my wall for now, though. So there it is. As transparent as I can be. I made the mistake. It's all my fault. But hopefully you like the Vicky anyway. And the Firebird is still a nice car. It just needs a paint job. So yeah, I'll be repainting that one in the future. But I do like the gold, so I'll probably repaint the same color. So I'm really liking that gold right now. And the olive on the Vicky looks great, so I'm happy with that. Anyway, that's all for this one. Until next time, that's all, folks. Bye now.